Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. Today, I want to introduce the Monster Series 1.5 low profile servo to you guys. And this one is a brushless model. And then there's our patent model, the Monster Series. So we apply this Monster Series model to this 1.5 servo, provide a very high torque. So the torque will be around 90 kilogram, and then the speed will be 0.12 at 8.4 volt. So you can see the motor, we built in this motor inside of this 1.5 servo. So there's a normal motor case and you have enlarged the motor. So you provide a super high torque on this motor. And also we have a new technology on the all-in-one PCB board in this Monster series. So the PCB board and the encoder and it's all in one in this PCB. This 1.5 low profile servo, the Monster series, will be available at end of this year. If you are interested, just follow our Facebook and contact with our distributor. Thank you.